Hello and welcome to MARAT'S kitchen. Today we're making delicious apple crumble with oats streusel topping. Start with 5 apples. We use the Ambrosia variety, but you can use whatever your favorite apples are. Slice out thin, put that into a bowl. Top with a tablespoon of white sugar, about a tablespoon of cinnamon, use a little bit more or less depending on your family's taste. About a tablespoon of Hawaij, which is a mixture of ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Mix that really well together so every apple gets covered. Use a can of cranberry sauce with whole cranberries at the bottom of an earthenware dish. Now you're going to top it with your cinnamon apples. Make sure that you cover it from corner to corner so every bite gets delicious apples and cranberries. Now you're going to make your streusel topping with 3/4 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cups of flour. Use a fork or a whisk to make sure you blend that in really well with 1/2 cup of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you have that around. We prefer to use olive oil in our family. Use your hands to really create that crumbly, nice, fluffy, crumbly mixture that you'll be putting on top. Again, make sure that you put the topping corner to corner so every bite gets every part of the delicious ingredients. That's all going to come together for a delicious dessert. Now you're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees and put that in for between 45 and 50 minutes. Enjoy!